Dior Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with me, my friend Raushan. We've known each other for a very long time. We have some very fun Valentine's Day inspired looks today that we're gonna go through, and we're just gonna have a quick chat. But before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I'm going to be doing a look on Raushan. We kind of collaborated and came up with like the final Valentine's Day look. And this look will be inspired by Kevin Rupert on Instagram. And we both thought this look was pretty dope. So I'm going to try to recreate this on Raushan and maybe make some little tweaks or whatever while we chat.
Spice it up.
Yes, exactly. So your skin is prepped.
Yes.
What did you use today?
So actually guys, I'm really into skincare.
Me too.
Very much so. I actually used the drops of Light by Body Shop, so it's a serum.
Ooh, can I see?
It actually covers dark marks. This covers acne scars.
Ooh, I like that.
Second, I actually have Clarinets. This lotion is fantastic. It's like a toning lotion.
I like that.
It is like fantastic. Rose water.
I love rose water.
Rose water is literally heaven.
I love
literally
rose water.
Heaven. You can actually pick this up at Mod Blu Bermuda.
Oh, what
Last
is that?
but not least.
Not that, this.
Oh, that was Dazzle drops.
I need to see that. That looks so pretty.
It's MAC Cosmetics Dazzle drops.
Guys, I work at MAC in Bermuda and I've never seen this. And I'm like obsessed right now. Now I'm just trying to mix up your foundation. We're just gonna, you know, have fun with it. I'm using Milani and a little bit of Maybelline as well.
Okay. So guys, this is really funny.
Oh God.
Raven here is actually my first crush.
Lies, Raushan.
Long story, guys.
Oh wow.
Me and Raven met back in primary school.
Yeah, we did.
At first we didn't really get along. We didn't. I was like, what, 3'1".
You were really small. Yeah, you're right.
Very tiny. But no, we did not get along. But
really?
Somewhere.
Close your eyes. I'm gonna start your eyes.
Okay.
I feel like we became closer because of the after-school program. We might have also had like a mutual friend as well.
So I don't know if you remember Raushan. He introduced me to you.
This is funny.
He introduced me to you, telling him, who's this girl, Raushan? She's so beautiful. She's so pretty.
Raushan.
He told me your name was Raven and that you just had joined our primary, because I don't think you started with us.
So I had just, you were like one of my first friends because I used to live in the States. It was hard to make friends, honestly. Close your eyes? Yeah, it was. Because people used to tease me because they were like...
Was it the accent or
Yes, the accent. So before we go any further, I'm just going to show you that I'm using the Morphe Color Burst palette.
Oh, what are we going with?
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise, okay.
It's a surprise. We actually have more stories, Raushan. We went in a movie together. We went a whole movie together as kids, okay?
Child actors, hashtag child actors.
What? So we learned how to shoot a movie, direct it, and we were both acting in the movie. And what was your role? Can you remember?
I'm the police officer who arrested you. You were the wife of the man. You were a killer.
I was a killer. There was a scene with me stabbing him with a needle.
And then choking.
And then choking him, and then he died. I don't remember why I did it, but I got arrested by Raushan.
So we had to put handcuffs over her and take her outside, guys.
So that's what I was doing when I was 8.
Fun fact, I actually still have this movie. So I might show this to you guys one day.
I'm dying.
I still can't see this, so I don't even know what you're putting on my eye.
You trust me. You'll be alright.
Do I?
Right, the crazy killer.
The crazy killer.
So tell them a little bit about Neo Apex. What's that?
Neo Apex is a short film production company. The founder is actually here today alongside myself. So Neo Apex was founded roughly, I want to say 5 years ago. With this mission. Sorry, shut up. with, you know, this mission of creating something that Bermuda was not used to by fusing the mediums of poetry with film. The catch was, you know, instead of using real dialogue, the poetry would play on top.
So I guess Biff Film Festival actually paid off for you in some way.
Yes, it did. Actually, it really did. We were able to actually air some of our films at the Biff Film Festival as well as abroad. I'm really, really excited for 2020. I can't really go into too much detail, but I think that 2020, and you guys will see, it's going to be a great year for us. What about you? How did you get started with all this?
Well, I found my interest in makeup at around 14, and how it happened was I was in my cousin's wedding. Selena, if you're watching your wedding, I had this makeup artist. Her name was Onika, and after she did my face, I just loved how I looked. It was my first time ever really wearing makeup. I was like, I really love how I feel. Like, I just feel like a whole different person.
Right.
And I was like, you know, I want to be able to make other people feel this way. Onika actually became my mentor.
Right.
And she mentored me, and she allowed me to like do makeup with her and shadow and help her when she had different clients, different bookings and stuff. After that, my mom started to see that I was really interested in makeup, and she was like, you should reach out to Mac. And luckily, the manager who was in charge of Mac at the time saw potential in me, and she would always allow me to come to the store.
I mean, how could they not look at you now?
Thank you. She would allow me to come every Saturday and just tell me how the store works, and she would teach me like different things.
Right.
And, you know, I learned a lot.
I feel like we have like similar stories, because that's with me and my poetry. I started writing, I want to say, in Miss Weeks. If you're watching this, thank you. Started writing in my English teacher's class when she started discussing about the idea of talking and presenting it in front of people. I just said to myself, no way, I cannot do this. Until, you know, came that day. I presented in front of everybody, and then the whole room was silent. Then a big array of applause. It felt so relieving. It kind of helped boost my confidence.
Makeup helped me to be able to express myself. Like you, I'm very grateful for people who saw potential in me, because it made me a lot stronger.
Yeah.
What are your goals for the new year?
Oh God, here we go. My main thing is to create a creative space. I lack consistency with my craft and with my art when I'm not surrounded by things that inspire me.
Yeah, so I just want to be more organized, more strategic this year, and hopefully produce some really cool stuff out of that. So the look is coming together.
I could look like an ugly troll.
Excuse me. You would never look like that unless that is the theme, okay? So what's new with you though, outside of like work and all the cool stuff you're doing with Neo Apex?
Superbia.
Ooh.
Superbia, guys. Superbia, it's like a content hub. I can't really get into too much detail because I don't want to spoil the secrets, but you're going to be seeing a lot of Bermudian creatives coming together. And I feel like that is something in itself.
There's so much talent. I feel like there's so many Bermudians that have so many things going on. And like you said, it's nice to have a space where they can feel comfortable enough to collab with each other and try new things.
Right.
So now we're finished with the heart.
Oh, there's a heart.
This look is actually pretty easy to do.
Well, actually, you need to see some of his other stuff. I actually found him through a great friend of mine named Chris Darling on Instagram.
So, do you have any plans for Valentine's Day?
Do I have any plans for Valentine's Day?
Do you?
Way to put me on the spot.
I mean, it's a Valentine's Day video.
I do not have any plans for Valentine's Day.
Really? Me either.
I don't have a Valentine here.
Ooh.
I have a Valentine, but not here.
But we're just gonna finish off the look. We're pretty much done.
How does it look, guys?
So I'm just gonna finish off the look with a little mascara, and then we're all done.
Okay.
Okay, so it's time to reveal the look.
Oh. Wow, this is actually really cool.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So it's inspired by, you know, the look that we just saw. Tried to do it kind of quick.
Yeah.
But that's what I came up with.
Kevin, thank you.
Yeah, so for more content and for the follow-up video to this, don't forget to watch Raushan's video and subscribe to his channel. And thank you for watching. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, guys.